Can West Virginia compete with Western Virginia when it comes to cocktails? We came to find out. I wanted to find a place in West Virginia that felt like actual West Virginia. Small, old town, kind of in the middle of nowhere. Got like an old school pub vibe, nice bar, nice little dining area. Today we're reviewing the smoked old fashioned. Price point of $13. Jump into this appearance. I'm a sucker for the presentation. They smoke at tableside. It's nice sized glass. Huge piece clarified ice. There's a lot of people talking crazy who weren't gonna find clarified ice in West Virginia as well. So we found it. It's also a Luxardo tucked down in there, which you might not be able to see. All right, first few sips, let's get it going. Here we go. Smoky. Tastes like the West Virginia country mountains, brother. They're using a filthy cherry syrup. Huge fan of it, by the way. Whatever that is going on, I feel like that's a secret ingredient in here. I think this is the cleanest old fashioned I've ever had in the entire state of West Virginia. Cheers to all the old fashioned queens and kings. Let's get it going.
The old fashioned king, the old fashioned king.
Filthy cherry. Oh yeah, beautiful thing. We review old fashions off of 4 different things. It's 0 through 1 on ambiance, and then we do 0 through 3 on the appearance. First few sips in the overall experience. Ambiance is a brand new restaurant. Small, loud, friendly country folks here. Like, it feels like you're at home. Full one off of ambiance. Appearance, decent sized glass, filthy cherry Luxardo inside, giant piece of the clarified ice. You'll love to see it. Appearance, we're gonna go 2.6. First few sips, this is immaculate. The filthy cherry syrup, I think, is the secret ingredient in here. We're gonna go 2.9 off of first few sips. And as far as overall experience is concerned, again, they got the clarified ice, baby. So the consistency remains the same, 2.9. And there you have it. Today we're in Berkeley Springs, West Virginia, at Proof on Washington. Virginia is for Grubbers, 9.4. Cheers.